how to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do a sponsored ad on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, doing a sponsored ad on Instagram is actually quite simple. All you have to do is, first of all, these ads cannot be run using the native personal account, right? So you need to have a professional account in order to do this. So first of all, you want to simply make sure you log into Instagram here. Tap the three lines option, then simply make sure you have got a professional account. So let me also just go to account type and tools, switch to professional account, and I'll just go ahead and then basically switch to a professional account here. Once you make sure you have professional account, which is either creator account or business account, you can definitely go ahead and then boost it. So if it doesn't work, just try to refresh the Instagram app again. Now open it up. Now whenever you go to a certain post that you might want to boost over here, you'll find the option called boost post. So then you can basically tap the boost post option here, and after you have done that only, you should be able to enter your payment details depending upon the ad account that you have. And once you have done that, you can simply select a goal of yours and then tap on next. Then you can select the audience, you can select automatic or create your own, and then you can choose a budget over 60 days and then just tap on next, and then you would have successfully done a sponsored ad on Instagram. That's all it takes to run sponsored ads on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.